what's up, Kim Bros? My name's Kendall Faust. I am hailing from Pensacola, Florida, where it is snowing like crazy right now. And this one, I'll dedicate to where it's snowing. This song's called Ember of a Kind. Convinced you'll die alone, the world before you turns to ice. Apprehension takes a heavy toll, then leaves you hopeless in the night. It's not your demise to fade in frozen white. Your frostbitten heart remains an ember of a kind. Thank you guys for listening.
Coffee in the snow.